at that. She just got a fish. Oh, look at that. Nice pickerel. Woohoo! Look at it. Oh, fun time. Oh, and I got one too. Look at that. Oh, I got one. Woohoo! Move the knife well. Woohoo! Look at that. Me too. Nice eater size. Okay, grab the rod. Bite that rod. Hey, never mind. Okay, take it. Go on it. Oh yeah! Grab it. Woohoo! Look at that! Say yay! Yay! Wow! That's a nice eater one, eh? Oh! Look at that, guys! Hey guys, we had a great time at kamisKotia. I brought a little girl, her name is Oceane, and her mother Natalie, and my father was here too. And we had a great time, so we're gonna say goodbye for today. Say goodbye, guys. Bye. Alright guys, to the next trip of fishing, okay? Goodbye.